Alright, sum based on the remainder theorem basically. This tells us that using remainder theorem, find the value of k if on dividing 2x cubed plus 3x square minus kx plus 5 by x minus 2, it leaves a remainder of 7. The question was asked in the ICSE 2016 examination. So let's see how to solve this one. So first, let's see this. So first, we know this is our polynomial over here. So let's consider our polynomial given to us as f of x because it's a function in x. So 2x cubed plus 3x square minus kx plus 5. So you want to find the value of k over here. They've given us that the divisor is equal to x minus 2 and it tells us the remainder is equal to 7. Now, if I have to use the remainder theorem, remember the first step is to equate the divisor to 0. So I'll say let x minus 2 equal to 0. And if I solve this equation, so I take the 2 on the other side, this gives me a value for x. So this gives me the value of x as 2, right? So x is equal to 2. Now, what the remainder theorem tells us is that the remainder in this case here will be equal to the value of the remainder here will be equal to the value of x, which is 2, substituted in our given polynomial. So the value of x. So instead of f of x, now I will solve it for f of 2. And if I am to solve this, that will give me the remainder. Okay, so let's start solving our sum now. Now they've given us the value of the remainder as 7, so I can say 7 is equal to, and instead of f of 2, I basically write 2 times, well, x now has become 2, so 2 times 2 cube plus 3 times 2 square minus k, right? So k times x, which is again 2, and plus 5, right? So as you can see, we have this one single equation with k as the only unknown, and if I'm to solve that, I should get the value of k. So let's do just that, right? So let's see, I can say 7 is equal to 2 cube is 8, that into 2 is so 2 cube is 8, into 2 is 16, 3 into 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, minus 2 into k is just 2k, and plus 5 at the end, right? Now simplifying this a little further, I'll say 7, like, yeah, therefore 7 is equal to 16 plus 2 is 28, 28 plus 5 is 33, minus 2k, right? Again, just rearranging my terms, I'll take the 2 to the other side, so, and the 7 to this side, so I can say 2k, right? So 2 into k is equal to 33 minus 7, which will give me 26, right? And if 2 here multiplication taken to the other side becomes division, so if 2k is equal to 26, I get the value of k as 13, and this is my final answer. The value of k is 13.